Welcome back, Funhouse crew. So today we're gonna see which was the funnest, kinetic sand or slime. So we're gonna open kinetic sand first. This is so cool and soft. That's why I love it. You can make anything of it. I'm gonna make a dough cookie. And I'm actually gonna make something really cool. I have to put it like this, flatten it. And let's do this. Anyway, so kinetic sand. We have to cut through shapes. Cut through here. And now we made a dough cookie. A cookie. Now we're just gonna make this. And this and that. That's the nose, that's the mouth. Now I'm gonna make the ears. I'm gonna make the nose. I already have the nose. We're gonna make the hand. And now when we touch, we're gonna add the sign. This is so cool. Now we're gonna make something really, really cool. Have you ever seen in your life? So we're gonna flatten this. Put it in here. We're gonna flatten it up until it's like this. So we're gonna flatten it up until it looks like this. So it looks like that. We're gonna keep on doing that, and then we're going to put it in like a bucket. We're gonna tap on it for a few minutes until you feel it empty. You open it. And that's okay because we can make another one. Really easy, really peasy, lemon squeezy. But you just have to do it again because we failed a little bit. So let's do it. Guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video because at the end we're going to be judging again. And I think I'm going to like this one. So let's get ahead. One more. And wow! Doesn't that look perfect? We're gonna go ahead and smash it. Just like the like button when you smash it, it turns blue. Okay. Rip it off. Then we're gonna make a circle and look at that. That looks like little stairs. You just drive a race car and you can boom, break your car. You still have your seat, and your seat is broken. A mountain right here, and you know this place can be staying here. And then when it closed before that, and we're gonna make this, and it looks like a different castle, but we're actually making a creepy castle. And this is where a creepy castle is, guys. If you can't find a creepy castle, you can just type it up. Anyways, now the final thing is we're going to do this. This connection, this magic, they can do anything with it, except we're doing this. Right. Now, we're going to play with slime. Like if you like kinetic sand, and subscribe if you like slime. So first we're going to get this out the way, put it right here. Right now it's going to open it, and wow! Guys, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And now let's see. Okay, we get all the side. Guys, I put something in there. Now we're gonna do this. what this is, guys. So, you all remember that we did a judge? So we're gonna do this a Y. Now we're gonna do this. Round and round. And you have something really cool. So we're gonna see this bubble. It's so big. Wow. We're getting a little bit more. Now we have all of it. Let's do this. And gonna make something really cool. It's like you're arriving of a mushroom. Anyways, so now it's time to judge. See which one's the bitterest. Alright guys, on my report card I had all these, and today I went to go get some ice cream and I got a different color. It was purple and blue and green, and it was a dragon color, and I ate it all because there are sprinkles and gummy bears, and I'm already done with it, so that's why I'm doing this. Alright, now we're gonna judge, see which one is the betterest. It's my favorite, guys. Yay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.